Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create how to subscribe to Disney Plus through your phone and so your mobile. The first step is the first thing you need to know is you can create you can subscribe and like through the official app of Disney in the mobile. So you need to go to your navigator and you need to go to the page of Disney Plus official. You put here and you need to put here in and choice your plan. For example, this is the like a combo, and after that you need to put here your email. For example, you put your email here. You put in continue. After that, you need to put a choice a password. I type in the password. And after that, you need to put the information of your credit card, of your debit card, or like a application of pay, like PayPal. So you confirm the plan you can buy. For example, this, and you put here in agree and continue, and you need to put your credit card or debit card or PayPal. And the last step is pick here in agree and subscribe, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.